So, you're moving to the land of opportunity, the United States of America. Congratulations! It's a land brimming with possibilities, from bustling megacities to breathtaking natural wonders. But amidst the excitement, a crucial question pops into your head: what about your bank account? Specifically, if you're a Commonwealth Bank, Commbank, customer in Australia, can you simply waltz into the US and use your trusty Commbank account like you would back home? Buckle up, because in this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of using your Commbank account in the USA, exploring the possibilities, limitations, and some sneaky tricks, well, not exactly tricks, but smart strategies to navigate your finances across the Pacific. Now, let's be honest, using your everyday bank account overseas isn't always sunshine and rainbows. International transactions can involve fees, exchange rates can leave you feeling a bit fleeced, and accessibility might not be as seamless as you'd hope. So, can you use your Commbank account in the USA? The short answer is yes, but with a few caveats. Here's the breakdown. Making purchases: you can absolutely use your Commbank debit or credit card to make purchases at stores and online retailers in the US. However, be mindful of foreign transaction fees. Commbank typically charges a 3% currency conversion fee for international transactions, which can add up quickly. ATMs: withdrawing cash from ATMs in the US with your Commbank card is possible, but again, fees are lurking. Commbank charges a $2 ATM withdrawal fee on top of any fees charged by the ATM operator itself. These fees can vary depending on the ATM provider, so it's wise to check before you withdraw. Online banking: thankfully, you can access your Commbank account online from anywhere in the world, including the US. This allows you to monitor your balance, transfer funds between accounts, and even pay bills back home in Australia. Just ensure you have a secure internet connection whenever you access your online banking. So, what are some strategies to minimize those pesky fees? Commbank Travel Debit Card: consider getting a Commbank Travel Debit Card. This card offers a more competitive foreign transaction fee of 1.5%, which can save you some money on purchases. Plus, you get complimentary airport lounge access on eligible flights, bonus points for comfort and convenience. Wise or Payoneer: look into money transfer services like Wise or Payoneer. These services often offer more competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. They might be a good option for larger transfers you need to make between Australia and the US. Alert Commbank: before you travel, let Commbank know you'll be using your cards overseas. This helps prevent them from flagging your transactions as suspicious and potentially blocking your card. Remember, when using your Commbank card in the US, you might be prompted to choose between a conversion rate set by the bank or the one offered by the retailer/ATM. Generally, the bank's rate is less favorable. So, unless you're desperate, it's usually best to opt for the retailer/ATM's conversion rate. The takeaway? While using your Commbank account in the US is possible, be mindful of the associated fees. Explore alternative options like the Commbank Travel Debit Card or money transfer services for better rates. Ultimately, with a little planning and some smart strategies, you can navigate your finances smoothly during your American adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.